Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was playing around with and I don't know if I'm going to say it right, painterly brush that's kind of new in Corel. And what I've noticed is if you will take some small lines instead of like this large thing when you're using it, there are so many brushes, and I'm going to try a loaded wet. And I like that, but it didn't take very long to create it. And as always with this brush, you can change the size of the brush. We're going to go with that 1/2-inch brush. So I thought I'd show you how to do it on a text and something that will look pretty cool. I'm going to create a copy of that text, and I'm going to left click, right click, and give it an outline. And it's all grouped together, so I can use the painterly brush. I'm going to use the same one, which is, it goes all the way back at the top, loaded wet, and look at that. And I could change it. Now, it doesn't look, that cool, but if you will take your original text and put it back on top, that's pretty cool. It gives us some pizzazz. And there's I don't know how many there are. There are a lot of brushes. So kind of play around with that, because you're going to get confused on which one you used. And, silk flower, that's pretty cool. And I think what's good about it, you can select on it and it just tells you the brush stroke. But if you go to the painterly brush, if you have that one selected, it's going to tell you loaded wet, or silk flower. And I'm not a printer, I'm an engraver, but that would be, and you don't have to use, you wouldn't have to use red. You could make the text black. Anyway, hope that gave you a few ideas, and thank you for watching.